In Springfield, a mental health first aid training was held for Springfield International Charter School students at Western New England University today. The program is nationally recognized and prepares young adults with the tools to identify, understand, and respond to the signs of mental health and substance use challenges. Western Mass News caught up with Karen Carrera, the mental health first aid coordinator at Western New England University. She shares with us how this program is using federal funding to benefit students in Springfield's school system.
Western New England University has an ARPA grant that we are looking to connect with Springfield schools dedicated to Springfield, bringing youth mental health, adult mental health first aid programs to help support mental health literacy across our communities.
More than 500 faculty, staff, and students have been trained through this program.